Afternoon. Welcome to our lesson about conditional probability. You will know something's conditional probability when they have the word given. Well, many of you have probably seen this commercial for Dos Equis about the most interesting man in the world. And he always says this phrase, I don't always drink beer, but when I do, I prefer Dos Equis. So, here's a list of 200 total drinks that they had. And we want to find the probability that they drink Dos Equis. Well, let's see. Well, they had 38 Dos Equis out of 200 drinks. And that's equal to 0.19. Now, at first glance, you're thinking, well, doesn't sound like they like to drink Dos Equis. But that's not what he said. He says he doesn't always drink beer. And as you see, he doesn't always drink beer. He drinks other stuff. But when he does drink beer, I prefer Dos Equis. So, let's consider this. Given that they only drink beer, what is the probability of drinking Dos Equis? Well, he still had 38 Dos Equis, but the total number is beer is 40. 38 for Dos Equis, and then 2 for Bud Light. And 38 divide 40 is 0.95. So now, that says something. So if he's just looking at all the beer, then that means 95% of the time he is choosing Dos Equis. So his argument does carry weight. Let's do some more of these. All right, here's the trick to doing a problem involving given. First, look for what given is and circle it. Then anything that's not circled will be crossed out. We're not interested in it. Then we check what the given value is and the total value is that is not crossed out, and divide. Sounds complicated, but it's easier to show than explain. So, in our example, find the probability that a selected student is male, given that they are freshmen. So the first thing I like to do is circle freshman. Okay. Notice I circled all the numbers underneath freshman. Those are the only numbers I'm interested in. Step 2 says anything that I did not circle, cross it off. I'm not interested in it. I don't want to be tempted to use it. So sophomore, gone. Junior, gone. Senior, gone. This total, gone. All right. Now, what were they looking for? It says to find the probability that a selected student is male. So, male is 88. Total is 187. Let's divide. 88 divide 187. And that is equal to, hang on, let's put it in the calculator, 0.471. All right, let's do some more of these. All right, the chart below represents students in college divided by grade. Find the probability that a student is a sophomore given that they are female. So, the key word is given that they are female. So what I'd like to do is find the female row and circle the entire row that is female. Like this. Okay. Now, anything that I did not circle, I want to cross it off. I don't want to be tempted to even use it. Okay, let's answer our questions. They wanted to find the probability of selecting a sophomore. Well, here's sophomore, and the numbers under sophomore that's not crossed out is 75. And the number under total that's not crossed off is 254. So what I'd like to do is do 75 divide 254. And that is equal to 0.295. All right, example 3. Find the probability a student is female given that they are seniors. So the key phrase is given that they are seniors. So I'm going to circle all of the seniors. Anything I did not circle, cross out. Now we can get some answers. They wanted to find the probability of female. So female is now 34. Total is 60. So let's do 34 divide 60. And that is equal to 0.567. All right, let's do some more. Here the chart represents employees at a company offering 401k matching. Find the probability that an employee is male given that they contribute. So the phrase is given that they contribute. So I'm going to circle the contribute. Any number I did not circle, cross it out. Now they want to find the probability of choosing a male. So there's 145 men out of 360 total. Fair enough. We will do 145 divide 360. And that is equal to 0.403. All right, well, next one. Find the probability that an employee does not contribute given they are female. So we're only concerned with the females. So we will circle the row of females. Anything that's not, any number not circled, cross it out. Not interested. And let's get some answers. Find the probability that an employee does not contribute. So that's going to be 130 divide 345. 130 divide 345. That is equal to 0.377. Okay. So again, same chart. And it's asking, find the probability that an employee is female given that they contribute. So we're only looking at the ones that contribute. So I will circle the contribute column. Any other numbers not circled, cross it out. They're interested in finding the probability of female, which is, so it's going to be 215 divide 360. So 215 divide 360 is equal to 0.597. All right, one more. Find the probability that an employee does not contribute given that they are male. So we're only interested in the men. So we're going to circle the male row like so. And anything I didn't circle, I like to cross it out. So they want to find the probability of does not contribute. So that's going to be 110 divided by 255. So 110 divide 255, that's equal to 0.431. So that concludes our lesson on given problems. So you should be able to answer questions 15 through 18. Stay thirsty, my friends, and have a great afternoon.